Today's topic is a scenario. You and 3 other officers successfully arrest a suspect with a history of violence based upon an outstanding warrant. The suspect was alone, outnumbered 4-1 by police officers, ordered to the ground at gunpoint with no one else around to distract police officers. Right before the suspect goes to the ground, he drops a backpack that he had been wearing. The backpack is 6 feet away from the suspect at the time that he's on the ground in handcuffs. Can you search that backpack incident to arrest? This video will answer that question and give you some best practices to consider. I'm Steve Serbalik, and I'm a panel attorney for ASCOPS in Arizona. Here in the Ninth Circuit, the court in U.S. v. Cook allowed a post-arrest search of a backpack of a suspect when the backpack was dropped next to the suspect. There, the arresting officer immediately and quickly searched it, but stopped searching as soon as the officer determined the backpack didn't contain any weapons. The factors the Cook court considered were that the backpack was easily within reaching distance at the time of the arrest. The search was brief and immediately followed the arrest, protecting officers while safeguarding any evidence that Cook might have destroyed. And in the Cook case, a crowd had gathered, and the arrest occurred outside a house where a drug buy had just occurred, making officers feel that a bystander could have gotten involved. At the same time, the scenario I described at the beginning of this video, where officers have plenty of resources, the backpack is further away, and there is no crowd to potentially intervene, the search of the backpack may not be reasonable or permitted after Arizona v. Gant. So here's the takeaway when it comes to searches incident to arrest. Officers can always search an arrestee's person. That doesn't require any extra justification. This search of the person includes any containers that remain on the person at the time of the arrest, including wallets, purses, backpacks, pockets, cigarette boxes, pill boxes, or envelopes. To search a separate item that was not on the person but within the arrestee's immediate control at the time of the arrest, something that was dropped or is otherwise near him, officers should consider additional justification. Factors to consider are how close is the object to the arrestee? Are other people around that could interfere to create danger or to destroy evidence? And is the search conducted quickly to determine that the object didn't contain threatening items? If the suspect confirms the backpack is his and he wants it to go to jail with him, you can take the backpack to jail with you and inventory its contents later as part of the impound process. On the other hand, if the suspect denies that the backpack is his, he likely abandoned any property interest that he may have had in the backpack. And again, the contents could be inventoried. If the suspect doesn't want the backpack to go with him to jail, if he wants to leave it with someone else, for example, then consider whether you have probable cause for getting a warrant. And finally, remember that consent is always a powerful tool. It's often good to ask for consent. If you have questions or comments, please leave them down below. Like this video to help out with my channel, and please also hit the notification bell so that you know when new videos are released. Videos are posted every Sunday at 5:30 p.m. Arizona time. I'm Steve Serbalik. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.